Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of work, where you're constantly putting out fires and reacting to new tasks, but never really making progress on what's truly important? I know I have, but since implementing a simple yet powerful weekly review template, I've been able to 10x my productivity and achieve my goals faster than ever before. The weekly review template is a game-changing habit that's been popularized by productivity experts like David Allen and James Clear. At its core, it's a simple yet effective framework for evaluating your progress, adjusting your priorities, and planning your week ahead. By dedicating just 30 minutes to an hour each week, you can gain clarity, reduce stress, and achieve more in less time. So how does it work? The template typically consists of a few key sections: a review of your past week, a review of your goals and projects, and a plan for the upcoming week. Here's a breakdown of each section. First, review your past week by asking yourself questions like, what did I accomplish?